The nylon 12 powder, also known as PA12, is the basic and most commonly used material in any selective laser sintering system. To print on the Sinterit Lisa or the Sinterit Lisa Pro, we recommend our very own PA12 Smooth. Printing with this material guarantees almost perfect recreation of even the smallest details. And to have an example, let's look on this earring right here. Not only fully detailed with the carvings, but also there is a small ball inside that is moving with the movement of the earring. Another example, let's look on the bracelet right here. Detailed carvings, inner, outer rings, superb craftsmanship. Unfortunately, it won't fit on my hand, but excellent nonetheless. You can print single solid elements like this one here, or you can print fully movable assemblies or mechanisms like this one here. You can print them separately or stocked together. They'll all be ready for use right after printing and a little bit of sandblasting. Add to that quite good material properties like structural strength, thermal and chemical resistances, and also liquid absorption, and you receive a reasonably priced multifunctional material that can be used as an alternative for other industrial class materials. Compared to other powders, our PA12 Smooth has a very good refreshment ratio. Add only 30% of the fresh powder to the quantity of unsintered powder left over from the previous printing. And if you are willing to print straight from the fresh powder, you can do it and you will receive objects that will have even higher robustness. PA12 Smooth. Smooth, as printing with this material will go smoothly. Smooth, as the surfaces of the prints will be smooth. And smooth because, printing with it, you will become a smooth operator.